Here's how to set up Vulcan bot for Plants versus Brainrots alerts on Discord. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Discord account and click on the Discover options. Afterwards, once you're already on the Discover options, what you need to do is to click on or redirect yourself on the apps option. Now from the apps option, what you need to do is go to the search icon that you can see at the upper right and search for Vulcan. Once you have already searched for Vulcan, you will see there the option for Vulcan application. And then once you have already clicked on it and view it, click on the add app option that you can see at the right side. Afterwards, you will be able to go to the channel and then you can now go ahead and create a channel bot for the Vulcan. What you need to do is to edit out the channel name depending on you. After you're decided, click on create channel. And now you can enjoy the Vulcan bot for Plants versus Brainrots. Now it's up to you what kind of prompts are you going to do with it.